my name is Jasmine McDonald. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sundays. And if you're also new here, you may as well hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with my videos because you're already here anyways. Today's video I'm so excited to do because I wanted to do when I was back at my mom's house, but now that I'm back with my tutu, I can finally try on my old dance costumes, and I'm so excited for this one because some of them are really gorgeous. And for anybody who doesn't know anything about ballerinas, is we usually wear tutus on stage, and these costumes are really old, so I'm kind of nervous about two of them because they are from when I was 12, but we will try our best to fit into them. I don't think the straps will go on because it'll be really short, so I might have to work with that. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into today's video. So the first one I'm going to try on is going to be this one. It is a green Tinkerbell-esque costume that I adore. I wore this for my very first ballet solo. I'll insert a picture here. And also insert a quick video here. Because I wore this recently at a gala when I was teaching at a dance studio pre-COVID, and I wore this on stage with my tutu performing Sleeping Beauty, surprisingly, Aurora solo. I know it doesn't really fit the look of Aurora, but I love the costume. I did my solo in Tinkerbell as my mom's favorite Disney character, so I was so excited to wear this one. It came with little sleeves. Let's just get right into it. Okay, this one makes me so happy. How gorgeous is this costume? I can't believe it still fits pretty well. Again, I haven't grown that much. What we would do with these little parts is we would pin them with safety pins, just because when you start to dance, they go like that. And since it's not attached to the tutu, the idea is that you have your own separate tutu, and then you can change the costumes. So you don't have to have multiple tutus, you just have one tutu and multiple little add-ons. Now this one doesn't have like an underwear part, so you would have to wear something underneath it. It just kind of goes over like a little slip dress, and it came with these little floofy things, which I would put on my arm. Far too big for my little arms as a child, but now they fit totally fine. Oh, my little floofs. And when I performed in this costume, I also wore the tiara. I am in love with this one, and the back is just really simple. It just goes like this. I would prefer if it went down, but then again, I'd want to be able to move, and this one just moves super well. Love the color. I love the fit. It feels really comfortable, surprisingly. The only thing is these things are kind of itchy. I remember I'd be backstage and be like, oh, I need to take these off, and I just walk around like Lord Farquaad with his little wrist things. But I love this one. It's so pretty. It's just so bouncy with tutus, you know what I mean? Okay, this next one is a gorgeous red color, and I nearly wore this one for my Aurora performance because it actually suited it better, but it is a bit smaller because I wore it a year before I wore this one, so it doesn't fit as well. But look at how gorgeous it is. It is just gorgeous. Look at all the rhinestones, the intricacy, applique, the sparkly effect. I love this one too, but the red really does it for me, and it came with a little scrunchie and a little floofs for the arms as well. I think this one had, yeah, this one has the bottom part, so I'm going to try this one on with this tutu as well in a second, but I just figured I'd unveil it first. I love this one. I think the song that we danced to for this one was Ave Maria. Ah, pretty! Ah! I think I couldn't manage to put the straps over. I did, but then the neckline was like up here and suffocating me, so I just tucked them in for now. I have these anyways. It seems to be staying up nicely. But this is giving me Belle very much. The other one's giving me Tinkerbell. This one just seems like Belle from Beauty and the Beast. It also has the underneath part to it, so you don't have to worry. If you didn't have a tutu, you could definitely wear it as a separate costume like Diana. You know the variation I'm talking about. This would go really nice without the tutu as well, but I'm just obsessed with the tutu anyways. Love this little bow it comes with. Again, it gives me huge Belle vibes from Beauty and the Beast. So this next one is most definitely a wild card because it has sleeves and I don't know if it's gonna fit okay and I don't know if I'll need help and who knows. We'll try this one on. But this was from a ballet group. We're supposed to be kind of like Narnia-esque creatures and it was caricature dance and competitive, I think it was called character. So rather than being very proper in ballet like in these ones, we were like all weird and doing weird faces and stuff. I remember we had masks too and a headpiece, which I'm gonna try to put on. Why don't we try to get into this one? Less dainty and pretty, but it's still interesting. And I figured it's a wild card. I have to throw it in here and it's got mane because a costume isn't complete without a mane. It's so tight. So I think I was supposed to bring this down. I look like a dragon. I just had to ask my boyfriend to help me zip it up and put it on because I was like, you know that video of Kim Kardashian putting on the latex and she's like, so let's try it with the tutu. I don't know if it needs the tutu, but we'll see. Okay, definitely doesn't need the tutu. Ooh, and it has these little things. I do really like it though. It's really comfortable. Surprising. It's very comfortable. Apart from the headpiece part, this part is phenomenal. Like I would wear this part of the tutu for a variation, minus the head thing. This is probably my favorite one out of all of them. I mean, look at that weave. This thing. Not bad. Not bad. I would wear this for a variation. It's very comfortable. Just zips up. And it's velvet, so you know it's comfortable and it's gonna keep you safe. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you had a giggle. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see another one because I definitely have more like this and more like that. I've got like, probably do like 4 parts of this video, but I just wanted to keep it simple to these 3 first of all. Thanks again so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and bye now.